Alright guys, it was getting a little cold and I wasn't sure if I was going to get any help from my wife, so I did this off camera. I mounted the fender up and pre-drilled all the holes, but I'm going to show you a problem I ran into. Since this kit is an Icon Motorsports kit, it's a replica V1 Rocket Bunny, I had some issues with fitment. So, as you can see, there are the holes. And then there's double holes, because I had the fitment right on one end, but it wasn't right on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those with caulk and seal these. And I'll show you guys that. Just let me set up the tripod.
Running around the block, I go in my head, manifesting life. It's a lifestyle. This is a lifestyle. It can get gritty in my city, better pipe down. I keep my hands clean, but don't mean that I won't fight now. Hit you with the quad in the hood, it is known for lifetime. It's a lifestyle, this is a lifestyle. It can get gritty in my city, better pipe down. I keep my hands clean, but don't mean that I won't fight now. Hit you with the quad in the hood, it is known for lifetime. It's a quest for me, I'm grinding, reaching for my destiny. And truth be told, it really ain't stressing me, because this life right here is really meant for me. You're not threatening, none of you are affecting me. Being great, I intend to be for all of you that's questioning. I want my time reimbursed for all of the unpleasantry. In the amount of time equivalent to a century. Money you embezzle, pack it up and have it sent to me. I really don't feel like I wanna go commit a felony. I damaged my life enough through all of my infidelity. The reason I believe in God is cause he's never failing me. I'm a lyrical poet, explode at any moment. If you wanna control me, you gotta learn to console me. Cause if you wanna condone me, everybody around here, everybody know me. It's a lifestyle, this is a lifestyle. It can get gritty in my city, better pipe down. I keep my hands clean, but don't mean that I won't fight now. Hit you with the quad in the hood, it is known for lifetime. I remember growing up, I didn't have much. Barely had enough money to build a sack lunch. Being homeless on the beach, it was mad fun. You probably thought I was making a bad pun. No, these are facts, bro. Watching my mama light up the candles, looking for my dad go the life that he chose. It's really making me sad though. 10 years later and death creeping, I'm mad close. Mama stood strong through the war, kid. Drained of her energy, 24/7 working, mostly on her own, and you know she don't deserve it. A tough little lady, man, my mama perfect, steady on the move, trying to keep from shining. Low key, plotting moves, shall I keep reminding? I'ma work for myself, ain't no need to sign me. Ain't no hiding around here, don't need to sneak to find me. I'm ready to play, and waiting for tomorrow, man, I'm ready today. Your next move, watch your step, because I'm ready to spray. And if we ain't talking business, best get out of my way. I said I'm ready to play, and waiting for tomorrow, man, I'm ready today. Your next move, watch your step, because I'm ready to spray. And if we ain't talking business, best get out of my way. It's a lifestyle, this is a lifestyle. It can get gritty in my city, better pipe down. I keep my hands clean, but don't.
Alright guys, so day 4. I went ahead and sealed this bit. I think I showed you guys about half of it for my camera. The memory card was full and I had to go move stuff around on the camera. But now I'm gonna put the over fender back on. That way it just keeps bugs out of this sealer till it dries. It's kinda just a little sticky, but I'll show you guys how the fender goes on. Alright guys, so I didn't go over the actual paint process for this wide body kit with you guys, mainly because I'm using rattle can, so I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. Now, with that being said, it won't be a perfect match to this car, because the paint coat is a 37 Juliet light satin pearl, and to get about a gallon of it from the dealership was about $600. So I went with the closest thing. I went down to my automotive store, found white pearl OEM Toyota paint, which is a weird code. But it turns out it's the same paint that GM used on their Bonnevilles in the 90s. So because the Toyota paint was so few and far between, I started buying the Bonneville paint. I'll show you guys that body kit. But I didn't want to do a how-to because I wasn't sure if I was doing it right. But now that I know that I did it right, I will show you the same thing on the car, and I'll do that in a separate video. But this is about the end of the body kit. This is about the end of the body kit video. And here are pieces paint matched in pearl white gloss. These are actually done. The others are drying. And as you can see, not the ideal place to paint. So there are little blemishes in the paint, which I'm not worried about because in the next couple years I'm probably going to get this whole car resprayed professionally anyway, because I have so many dents and dings from walnut damage, hail damage, cats climbing on my car and scratching the paint, all that stuff. So I figured, I have little pieces, flakes of stuff in the paint, which isn't a big deal, as long as it looks good enough to throw on the car. With that being said, I had to order another set of spacers. I'm running 2-inch spacers all the way around the car, but I had to order another set of 1-inch spacers. I'm not 100% sure if I'm actually going to put them on. I don't like the idea of running 2 sets of spacers on the rear, but I might try it out. But I might not. I don't know. But what I want to do is, I'll show you guys. I got a couple patches where I did my mirror delete on the car. I want to finish those spots up, which will probably be an independent video anyway. But here is one of the spots, and I'm planning on setting this down on camera and showing you guys what the step-by-step process is. I'm a little further on the passenger side. I'm getting ready to respray primer on this. I just got to mask the car off, and then I'm going to sand down the other side. But I have to go upstairs and clear out my SD card for my DSLR because I ran out of space doing the wide body video. And so I'm going to wrap up the part 2 when I start throwing these fenders back on the car. But I'm going to keep working on this side. I might video it, I might not. We'll see. But I'll let you guys know once we'll come back once that clear coat's dry, which should be done within the next hour. I painted them this morning. They say you can handle it within an hour. I like to push that out as far as I can. So once that dries, I'll get the camera out here and we'll start shooting.
Hey, yo, welcome. Hit 'em.